Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate series and parallel combination of solar panels in a very simple and practical way. If you are designing a solar system and want to match the voltage and current of your inverter or charge controller, this video is for you. What is series and parallel? Let's start with basics. In a series connection, voltage adds up but current stays the same. In a parallel connection, current adds up but voltage stays the same. Now example of series connection. Imagine we have 3 solar panels. Each panel is rated 40 volt 8 ampere. If we connect all 3 in series, 40 plus 40 plus 40, so the answer becomes 120 volt. Current same is one panel 8 ampere. So the output is 120 volt 8 ampere. Now example of parallel connection. Now let's connect the same panel in parallel. Voltage stays the same 40 volt. Current 8 plus 8 plus 8, the answer becomes 24 ampere. So the output is 40 volt 24 ampere. Now how to get a target voltage and current? Let's design a system using 6 solar panels. Each panel is 40 volt 8 ampere. We want a final output of 80 volt and 24 ampere. So step number 1, series connection. Increase voltage. We know that in series voltage add up. Each panel gives us 40 volt and we want 80 volt. So 80 divided by 40, the answer becomes 2 panel in series. So 2 panel connected in series give us voltage 40 plus 40, 80 volt. Current same 8 ampere. This group is called one series string. Now step number 2, parallel connection. Increase current. Now we want 24 ampere total current. Each series string gives us 8 ampere. So 24 divided by 8, the answer becomes 3 strings in parallel. So we need 3 sets of 2 panels in series. Connect all 3 sets in parallel. Final output is 80 volt and 24 ampere. So remember, use series to increase voltage and use parallel to increase current. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.